Chainlink daily update video. Today's video, we're going to look at a couple different things. We're going to look at some indicators. We're going to look at some moving averages. We're going to look at the daily chart, the weekly chart, and the big picture monthly charts for Chainlink. We're even going to look at self-proclaimed Sergey Mountain. What is it? Watch and find out. All right, so starting off on Link on the daily chart. Yeah, not so good. If you're just looking at the day-to-day, the time-to-times, you know, the shorter your mindset for Link and pretty much crypto in general, the worse it looks right now for sure. Okay, so let's give our opinion on the daily and see what we got. Well, technically, we're still okay. We talked about this yesterday. We could come down to here and still be in this uptrend that we've been in since basically December. If we close under here, yeah, that's 1950. If we close under 1951, that would set a new low, which would reverse this uptrend. Because if you make a lower low, technically the uptrend is broken. And if you're going to be right one way, technically is the way to go. So we're still technically in an uptrend until we make a lower low. So facts are facts. Link is Link. Let's go look at the weekly and see if we got any better analogies. So our all-time high come down, kind of a double top here, M pattern, right? Kind of bearish. So we're trying to battle this 21 week, right? We got above it first week of January, came down, cloud support, and now this week, great job, Link, for just tripping back over the bar. So it's okay. We've been here before, right? We've been in the downtrend. We've been underneath the 21 week. Just time is all we need. Everyone asks what's wrong with Link. Nothing's wrong with Link. And there's no better picture of that than the monthly chart. How bearish does that look? Right? Not that much. So the only thing wrong with Link is your perspective on Link. Usually, if you're buying at this 21 month, this is a 21 month exponential moving average. Would you be upset if you would have bought Chainlink at 40 cents? Probably not. Would you have been upset on this pullback to the 21 month? At $1.77? Probably not. Would you be upset if you bought Chainlink at $15? Probably not. Look where we are now. We're at the 21 month. Historically, those are pretty good levels to buy. Not financial advice. Of course, nothing I say is that. But looking at the big picture, I mean, the only thing wrong with Chainlink is you're probably buying Chainlink at the wrong times. So you do with that information what you will. Now let's go look at a couple other things. So why is Link not being able to, have a sustained move? We're going to look at it right now. So this is the daily chart again, using our RSI and our stochastic RSI. So look at our stochastic. Look how low it is, right? We have no momentum. This is your momentum of the price. It's based on the RSI, and it tells you the momentum of your move. If you have no momentum, how fast can you move, right? That's why sprinters get down in formation, so they get good momentum back up. We're just standing upright, right? We're not ready for the race yet. We need to get back up, and this way, we need ideally, we want something like this, the rocket ship straight up. This would be ideal from July. Remember how well Link recovered from the July bottom? Look at the momentum just shot out of there like a bullet. That's what we need. So are we going to do that next week? Not likely, right? We might need another couple weeks to get back up. So we'll stay on top of this every day, every week. We'll look at it. Now, speaking of weekly, let's go look at the weekly and see what we got. We got a little momentum, but we stalled, right? Halfway up. We hit kind of the midway point, usually 50. Look at this. Link needs to either gets rejected right before it or kind of just stalls out right at it. Even here, look at the drop down. We kind of hit the 50 again, and we're just hesitating yet again, right around this 50 mark, right around midway. We need Link to bust through in a big way. So far, we're not getting that. Does it mean we have to go down? No. So we want to watch it on the daily, day-to-day. If we can get some more momentum, this can continue. But as for now, we're stalled out on the weekly. So you've seen the daily, you've seen the weekly. Now let's go look at the monthly. There's your big picture. You wonder why Link can't do much. I had on the biggest picture zoomed all the way out, the monthly. This is all of Link's history. This is going back to 2018 here. No momentum, right? We can't get a sustained price rally if in the big picture you got a giant parachute on your back. You're not going to set your world record prices while you're being dragging bricks. We're dragging bricks. We got to get rid of the damn bricks. How do we do that? Daily needs to start going up. The weekly needs to start going up. And then the monthly should start moving up here. But you can see that this could take some time. if we see this on the monthly going back up and breaking into here, it's very likely Link is, you know, the mid 30s above that 35 level. And, you know, well on its way to taking out all-time highs. We don't have to wait till we get up in here. Once we get up in here, though, a sustained rally is much more likely. If we get just a bounce, right, we can start moving, but we need to get a bounce. So far, we're still going down, okay? So on the monthly biggest picture, this is why Link is struggling. Cut the bricks, Link. All right, that's it. That's it for Link on the stochastic. There's Sergey Mountain. There it is, the monthly Sergey Mountain. Does it look like a mountain? Maybe now it does. Self-dubbed RSI Sergey Mountain. We've been up, right? We got the Triple Crown. Now we're back down at the base. So we need to go form us a new part of the Sergey Mountain. Going into 2022, summertime maybe, we can get back up here and all will be happy. We'll retake the throne. We can, you know, Mount Rushmore, put Sergey's face on it. All that good stuff is coming. Patience. Only thing wrong with Link is too short of time frame. Link will do very well in the long run. All right, what else we got? Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We're still way down, right? We're still way down. Could we go lower? Sure. Are we likely to have a massive drop when we're all in extreme fear? Of course not, right? That's not how it works. You get your extreme drops when no one expects it. Has there ever been a 20-30% drop and everyone thought it was coming? Okay, I rest my point. So we're still in extreme fear. Stay patient. We can go a little bit lower, but I think the end is relatively near. The world, quote of the day, the world breaks everyone, and afterward, some are strong at the broken places. So my first video on Bitcoin, I said, replace the world with crypto. Crypto breaks everyone. All right, only the strong will survive. It'll be worth it. Give us some time. We'll look back on these times and laugh. Wipe our tears with our Sergeys. All right, car of the day. Anybody got it? Pagani Zonda. Super rare car. Unless you got the model. Looks familiar, right? Looks pretty damn similar. All right, that's it. If you got, it's only about 5 million if you want to get one. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Happy Link Day. Stay patient. Stay thirsty. I'll see you on the next one.